Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
Alright, Tony here. I took a slight little detour. That last clip you saw of me going through the little racetrack ended up in me flipping the ATV and rolling off with it. And in return, I got a swollen ass foot and a bag of ice to help the swelling go down. But until then, I'm on the sideline. My ankle still hasn't gotten better, but you always gotta make the best of things. So instead of waiting here, I decided to get in the water and swim with a broken freaking ankle. Quick update, I'm doing better from when I flipped it. Probably tell I had to take it apart because I broke stuff and I gotta fix it. But with my leg, I can move it now and I can walk. And I can do jumping jacks, and I can run in place, and I can move it around. Before when I flipped it, I couldn't move it around, but I'm out better, at least getting there. It only hurts a little bit, but now I gotta fix the ATV since I broke it. So we had to take off the front, and then we took this part off, which is right there. The front is right here, and then the top part is right here. But when I flipped it, I broke a headlight. That's why there's one eye right here, and then the other eye is right here. And it's supposed to go right there. But I flipped it and I broke it. So now I gotta move that right here in the middle, and then I fix it. Right? I guess that's how it works.
Soundstripe.
So happy. I was able to fix it. Look at it right there. It looks stupid clean, right? Stupid perfect and stupid not broken because I fixed it. Oh boy. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, share with people. Share with everybody, bro. Tell your mom about me. Tell your dad about me. Tell your grandma about me. Tell your granddaddy about me. Tell your son about me. If you have a son, I don't know. If you got a daughter, I don't know. Watch it with your dogs, bro. But hey, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.